Bring it on!
What are the dimensions of the Trio Tower fan? You must include the diameter, width,
The Trio fan has a width and diameter of 11.81 inches with a height of 36.22 inches. You can also get a cool breeze of 25 feet per second.
Oh, what? He's just like, how the f are they getting this right?
RickWa reacts!
What up, folks? Tis RickWa, and for this video's reaction, I'm gonna be reacting to Jigsaw, but it's extremely easy. And this is by Taileon. So, like, looking at the thumbnail, this seems like this is like a parody off a Saw. So I will be 110% honest. I do not with scary movies whatsoever, yo. So Saw is within the mix of that. But I have at least seen all the scary movies, like, you know, the scary movies and whatnot. Like, it's more so like a parody of making fun of scary movies and whatnot. But I do remember, I think it was the fourth one, if I remember correctly, that had a little bit of a parody based off of like Saw within the mix. Y'all can let me know in the comment section below, so I like kind of get it to a degree. And I've also seen, you know, some memes and whatnot as well too, involving Saw and Jigsaw and all that good stuff. But y'all already know how hilarious and wild and Taileon can get within his videos. I really hope in this case being just like one of the characters just it starts wilding out so much they're just like oh, yo, that shit's too fucking funny whenever he starts doing that. Oh, yo, but either way. Let me switch over to the green screen webcam real quick for y'all. There we go, folks. Also, I hope all of y'all are having a wonderful day today as well, and please be sure to check out and support Taileon within his content creation journey, along with any other content creators that I react to, and making sure to support them within their content creation journeys. But real quick before I get started, if y'all like this kind of content on my reaction channel, of course, please be sure to leave a like and leave a comment down below. You know, let's get things lively in the comment section, shall we? By, you know, letting me know what references I might have missed, what you find to be funniest in the mix, and, you know, even something positive, and also as well too, a video request for something for me to react to. And just a rule of thumb, I don't react to anything that I've already seen, because then it is not a genuine reaction on my end. So just making sure to point that out for y'all. And lastly, if y'all like my content that much more, then of course, you know, please be sure to smack that subscribe button and the bell button, so then y'all know when it is that I'm uploading new content onto my reaction channel. And the support is always very much so greatly appreciated thus far and going forward. Y'all are amazingly awesome, folks.
Okay.
And as well too, you know, share it around with your friends or family, whatever you so choose to do on that notion, and even check out my Patreon as well too. The support is always greatly appreciated as a whole. But without further ado, let's get started on this video. Shall we, folks? Oh man. Oh, what?
Subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Huh? Damn, fourth walling like crazy. Like, what's going on?
Oh, shit.
Damn.
Oh God, no! Oh God, no!
They're just like,
Oh my
where we
God.
at?
No, man, this can't be happening. Oh God! Man, what the hell is going on? I don't know what the hell's going on here. Hey! Hey! I thought we did everything right. Let us out! What's going on?
Damn.
Shit, man. Yo, man, what the fuck happened? This sick fuck caught us.
Oh, what?
It's over. No, God, no, no, no. From his fucking games.
Damn.
We escaped.
Damn.
I thought we escaped also.
Damn. Oh no. Oh, damn. The screen filter be looking kind of scuffled right now because some wild shit about to happen. Oh, and then there's Jigsaw. Damn. Damn. 5 minutes to answer these 5 questions. Oh, what?
I'm sorry. You better hurry up. Time is a ticking. Because if you don't answer those 5 questions, this entire room is rigged to explode. It's all wrong.
My nigga, what is up with the screen?
I don't know.
Hey, bro, yo, lagging. God
Damn.
damn.
What you mean it's lagging?
Nigga, you keep glitching across the fucking screen, bro.
What?
The you got
No,
going, bro? What the hell?
It's just like the visual effects and all that, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's supposed to, you know, be creepy, look weird and shit. You feel me? Like,
My nigga, do you honestly think we give a about some fucking visualizers?
Damn.
you're not fucking with the visual effects?
Nigga, no visuals, man. You think I give a about some
It's
visuals?
facts, though. It's facts. You're right.
God
You
damn.
know, I've never actually thought about that. Holy shit. I've never thought about that, bro.
ADHD and shit, I can't even focus, man. He fucking my head up, bro. Too much stimuli, man. Like, what the
Too much stimuli. Damn.
A little bit more tense. For sure.
man. Oh my God. Yeah, man, you good, bro.
Oh,
That's
man.
better, bro. Yeah. Come on, man. Let's keep
Let's
this
all
shit
get
going,
that to
bro.
program, bro.
Damn.
Once again, you both have 5 minutes to answer these 5 questions. Get any question wrong, and you blow up.
Damn.
The timer starts now. Question 1. What year, round and pick, did Ilya Yashuk
1987, round 5, pick 127.
Oh, what?
What'd you say?
Nigga, I said 1987, round 5, pick 127. The you not understanding, man? Come on, dude, next question.
I'm actually, I'm impressed.
Bro, what is he doing, man?
Wow, that's, what the fuck? Wow.
That's common knowledge. Everybody knows that, man.
What the fuck do you mean that's common knowledge?
My nigga, my life is on the line, bro.
Fuck all that ecstasy, bro.
I'm surprised that anyone would know that.
Damn, he's so scuffled.
Come on, man.
You know what?
This nigga's stalling.
Question 2. What are the dimensions of the Trio Tower fan? You must include the diameter, width,
The trio fan has a width and diameter of 11.81 inches with a height of 36.22 inches. You can also get a cool breeze of 25 feet per second.
Oh, what? He's just like, how the f are they getting this right?
fucking with me?
What you talking about, man? Come on.
There's absolutely no way you should know that.
Well, I know it.
Damn.
Honest to God.
What the fuck is the problem, man?
You should fucking know that.
And why not?
My nigga, knowing that information doesn't help or serve you in any way. Why the fuck do you know that?
It ain't my fault that you don't measure dimensions before you buy shit. I thought it was some valuable
How
information.
is knowing the dimensions of a floor fan valuable?
So you can know the information, but I can't.
What the fuck does it even mean? My reasoning for knowing it is different from your reasoning for
So
knowing it.
now I can't measure
I
shit
have to
no
know
more.
this information so
Man, you're wasting time.
Can we get to the next question?
Alright,
I don't like being surrounded by bars, bro.
Damn.
Come on, man.
question 3. On Grey's Anatomy, Season 11, Episode 17. What is the main plot?
Meredith and Alex argue about the best solution for their patient Danny's
Liver transplant. They can't find a solution, so he ends up dying. Which causes him to surgery.
You're telling me that you remember a 10-year-old episode?
Damn. That's crazy.
Fuck out, man.
So now I can't watch Grey's Anatomy.
Nigga, I'm 21
Yo.
seasons in. This shit is a
Yo.
Program as a child, bro. I was special. I wasn't like the rest.
Maybe the question's just too easy.
Damn.
Fuck that, you got some old ass questions.
Okay.
We doing everything we need
I
to do.
got something for your ass.
Maybe you should make your
Hold on,
fucking
hold on.
questions more difficult.
Alright, since niggas want to be smart. Question 4. The line 2x minus y plus 1 equals 0 meets the curve of x to the second power plus 3y equals 19 at the points A and B. The perpendicular bisector of the line AB meets the x-axis at the point C. Find the area of the triangle
125.
Yo.
Program, did you not understand?
Gifted program. Dog. Jigsaw is snapping.
My name Tim.
Yo.
My name Willie.
Tim and William.
Ain't that fine, bro?
Ain't no way, bro.
Hold
Two
on, that was
random
fine.
ass niggas know some obscure
That
and
was shit.
strange
That is my
information.
question. Hey, yo, my nigga.
This don't make sense.
Yo, my man. That's
I'm
five questions right there,
asking
bro.
some very difficult questions. This doesn't.
We're doing
Bro,
man.
that took me 3 weeks to make.
Yo, my nigga, that was five questions, bro.
The fuck you mean that was 5 questions?
Ask us 5 questions.
What?
We
Damn.
done. We ain't gotta do this shit no more, gang. We're free to go, ain't we?
No, that wasn't my last
Oh my
question.
God, my nigga, can you not count?
Damn.
What the fuck you gonna tell me what my 5th question was?
We played your game, bro. By technicality, that's 5.
Technicality?
We're free to go.
Oh, okay.
Damn.
You fucked up, man.
For real. Ask 5 questions. The game was 5 questions.
Oh my God.
That's the rules.
Okay. No,
You
but
don't gotta do this bullshit.
that wasn't my 5th question.
Nigga, that last
That
question.
wasn't some.
Who
No.
are you? That's your 5th
No.
question,
What the
nigga.
fuck?
Damn. Yo. Yo. He said the 5th question was, who are you? Yo! Oh my god. Oh, yo. Oh my god, dog. Yo! Yo, that's too fucking funny. Just seeing the Jigsaw character just like fucking just snap the entire fuck out. Tim and William characters. They're just like, oh, that was the 5th question. And Jigsaw was like, yo, I didn't even ask the 5th question. They're just like, yeah, you did ask. That 5th question was, like, who are you? Technically, that was a question. Damn, they played Jigsaw, and Jigsaw was not having that shit. Those are some difficult ass questions. But those characters that were in that other room, they just ended up getting that shit right. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Special program. Oh my god, yo. That was too funny. I needed that laugh. But good stuff to that one from Taileon. Hope y'all, the audience, have enjoyed my reactions to this video as well, too. While enjoying the video itself as well. Oh, man. But either way, let me switch back over to the regular webcam real quick for y'all. There we go, folks. Once again, I hope all y'all, the audience, have enjoyed my reactions to this video from Taileon, and also, once again, as well, too, great, amazing stuff to Taileon for this video as well. But either way, I'm at the end point of this reaction video, and if y'all have gotten thus far, I do greatly appreciate that. And it's basically, I'm finna bounce. So there's that. And if y'all like this kind of content on my reaction channel, of course, please be sure to leave a like and leave a comment down below. And also share my content around, as that does help with the algorithm. And if y'all have not already yet, of course, please be sure to smack that subscribe button and the bell button, so then y'all know when it is that I am uploading new content onto my reaction channel. The support is always very much so greatly appreciated thus far and going forward. Y'all are amazingly awesome, folks. And as well, too, if you want to get some extra benefits while supporting me a little bit further, then y'all can go about and check out my YouTube memberships by pressing that join button down below. And y'all can either join the Shoutouts tier or the Early Access tier, whatever floats your boat on that notion. And if you want even more benefits compared to my YouTube memberships, then y'all can go about and check out my Patreon, and in which the link to my Patreon is in the description below if you want to check that out, and all that good stuff. So just making sure to let y'all know of that as well too, because every bit of support does help in the long run. So yeah, just letting y'all know of that as well too. But either way, I'm finna bounce. I hope y'all, the audience, have a wonderful rest of your day. And until the next reaction video that I upload for y'all, peace out, folks.